Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Chandelier candle holder duo. And so what you're going to need some of this silver Bling Wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. You will also need some of these Rhinestone Buckles. These are square Rhinestone Buckles from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now you're also going to need some of this clear diamond chain. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. And what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these glass fishbowl candle holders or mini vases. You're going to need 2 of these silver candy dishes. And you're also going to need 1 of these silver napkin rings. They come in a pack of 4. And I think that these come in a pack of 4 as well, all from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam Chandelier candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let me know in the comment section whether you make these a staggered height duo like I have here, or would you make them both the same size? And also, would you use the little napkin ring as a little bit of an elevation for them, or do you like it best with it just sitting right on the pedestal itself? Just let me know in the comment section. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.